Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're going to totally change the way you think about cleaning. We're not just talking about boring chores. We're talking about turning a space of chaos into your own personal sanctuary of calm. You know that feeling, right? You walk through your front door after a long day. You look around at the clutter, the stuff everywhere, the dust, and just one single heavy thought lands in your mind. Yep, that's the one. It's a feeling we've all had. That sense of being completely overwhelmed by your own space. If you've ever felt that way, trust me, you are definitely not alone. Okay, so let's actually dive into this. What does that mess really mean? It's not just about dirt, is it? It's this visual signal of disorder, a feeling that things are just a little bit out of control. This is where we flip the script. What if tackling that mess wasn't just another task on your giant to-do list, but was actually an opportunity to seriously improve your well-being? Now, what's so interesting here is the powerful link between our home environment and our headspace. A messy house, it often goes hand in hand with feelings of stress and anxiety. But just look at the contrast. A clean house promotes calm, clarity, and a real sense of control. A tidy space really can lead to a tidy mind. And the benefits go even deeper than that. Physically, cleaning gets rid of nasty bacteria and allergens, which is great for your health. It makes your home safer by clearing away things you could trip on. It makes you more organized, which saves you so much time. And, it just creates a really warm, welcoming space for when you have people over. The benefits are super clear, but let's be real, facing a messy room can feel like you're standing at the bottom of a huge mountain. The key isn't to just start scrubbing randomly, it's to have a strategy. And that strategy starts by breaking that mountain down into small, manageable little rocks. We call them chores, right? Things like washing the dishes or making the bed. Each one is a tiny victory that builds momentum. So here it is, the system, your roadmap. Step 1, make a plan. Just list out what needs to get done. 2, gather your tools so everything's ready to go. 3, focus on one room at a time so you don't get overwhelmed. 4, always clean from top to bottom. We'll come back to this one, it's a biggie. 5, declutter. Get rid of what you don't need. 6, set a schedule to make cleaning a habit. And finally, number 7, get everyone in the house involved. It makes the work so much lighter for everybody. If you remember only one technique from today, make it this one. Always start from the top of a room and work your way down. Dust the ceiling fans and the shelves before you touch anything else. Why? Well, gravity is your assistant here. All that dust and dirt falls downwards. This way, you only have to vacuum or mop the floor once, right at the very end. It's so simple, but it is an absolute game changer. Okay, so we've got the plan. Now let's put it into action by focusing on the key areas of your home that need the most attention. Not all rooms are created equal when it comes to mess. As you can see here, the kitchen and the bathroom are usually the highest traffic zones. They collect the most dirt and germs. So if you focus your energy there first, you make the biggest impact on the overall cleanliness and health of your home. A key habit in these zones is simply to tidy up. Now, this isn't about deep cleaning. It's just the simple, daily act of putting things back where they belong. This little habit is your absolute best defense against chaos. It prevents clutter from ever taking over in the first place. And what's the ultimate goal here? A spotless space. Now, this isn't about stressful perfectionism. It's about creating that truly calming and healthy environment we've been talking about, a sanctuary free from dirt and clutter where you can actually relax. And this is how you make that goal happen. Notice the split here. You don't get to spotless by cleaning for 8 hours every Saturday. No way. You get there by building habits. Small, daily tasks like making the bed prevent the mess from building up, which makes those bigger weekly tasks, like mopping the floors, seem way less scary. So let's recap the really important stuff. A clean home is an investment in your mental and your physical health. The secret is to break down the work into small, manageable tasks and follow a simple plan. Always clean from top to bottom, and remember that consistency is way more powerful than intensity. Ultimately, cleaning isn't just about getting rid of dirt. It's really an act of self-care. It's about taking control of your environment to create a place where you can truly rest, recharge, and thrive. So the real question is, how will you start today?